Hey there awesome people, how are you guys doing? So this is your V-Bro from Tech Week, and today in this video I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Arion Deskmat, which is one of the best desk mat that I've ever used in my life. And if you're thinking of buying this desk mat for yourself and you want to know more about this, then this video is for you. And if this is the first time you're watching my video, then please do consider subscribing to my channel, as I'll be bringing more videos related to your desk or other peripherals. Alright, so unboxing experience of this desk mat is pretty simple, as you get the standard MECKEYS box, and in the box you get the features of the mat, which includes its size, which is really large, anti-slip base, material of mat, spill-proof surface, scratch resistance, etc. Basically, this mouse pad is a high-speed desk pad, which means that the surface of the desk pad is really smooth, and this type of pads are really useful for those sweaty FPS gamers out there. But don't get me wrong, this desk pad can be used as a normal desk pad as well. But for me, previously I was using this normal decent sized mouse pad, as you can see right now. But after shifting to the Arion Deskmat, I did feel the smoothness and the speed of this mat. And I had to decrease my DPI of my mouse along with the sensitivity of my games that I play. But after getting used to it, I'm really enjoying the smooth surface, and the mouse glides really well, and it is really worth it. After you open up the box, inside the box you get the desk mat rolled in, and pulling it out you get this large desk mat which feels really premium to hold. Along with that, you also get the MECKEYS stickers, which you can stick into any surface if you're interested. And talking about the surface of the desk mat, it is made of a material called cordura, which is something very special, as this material is waterproof and also it is really resistant to scratches and damages. For example, let me show you by dropping some water over the mat, and as you can see, the water droplets are not absorbed by the mat. Instead, they just flow over the mat, which means that the mat is waterproof, and you'll be able to clean the mat easily by just using a damp cloth, or maybe by using some mild soapy water or anything as such. Even the edges are stitched pretty well, no complaints over there. Now let's talk about the base of the desk mat, which is made of a grippy rubbery material. And yes, it does grip onto the surface, onto your desk surface really well. But make sure you, before applying the desk mat, you clean the desk or the table surface nicely before if you won't, then all the dust and dirt will stick on the base of the desk pad, and it will be really difficult for you to get rid of them. So make sure you clean your table or desk pad or desk surface before applying this mat. Once you're done that, the desk mat will stick onto your table surface and will not move easily, hence giving you a premium and snug feel. Now if you take a look at the branding of this desk mat, we can see that this mat is basically really minimal. Just the MECKEYS logo on the top right corner and the Cordura Advanced Fabrics branding towards the left top corner. Other than that, this desk mat is really simple. Personally, I don't game that much, but I do play every day when I'm done with my work, and this desk mat is something that I really enjoy playing games on. I have my laptop, keyboard and my mouse on top of this desk mat, and everything fits really well on this desk mat. Now let's talk about some problems that I found in this desk mat, which is just one, which is around the corner of the desk mat. As you can see, there is a gap between the mat and on my table, and because of this, dust might get accumulated on the base rubbery material. This is also present on the other side of the desk mat as well. Mainly this is caused due to the packaging of the desk mat, as it came rolled in, as you could see in the unboxing video. And I did try putting some heavy books and other heavy items. Even I tried rolling this desk mat in opposite direction and also tried pressing with a hot iron, but yet it didn't make the mat flat on my table. So well, this is something that I've faced with my desk mat, mainly because of the cordura material. But if you have any tip for me to fix this issue, then definitely let me know in the comment box down below. Now if you're interested in buying this Arion Deskmat for you, then please check the video description. There you'll get the buy link for this amazing desk mat. And also don't forget to browse through the MECKEYS.com website if you want to explore different keyboards, mouse and other accessories. And also a big thanks goes to MECKEYS team for sending me over this desk mat for review. But as always, no editorial input has been provided by the company nor any compensation for this video. All the things that I've said about this desk mat are all my honest opinions. With that note, this is Vibro from Tech Week. Have a great day and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!